Craving snacks, but watching your blood sugar? I don't think people understand how easy it is to enjoy Desi snacks without the sugar spike. Today, I'm sharing 7 delicious Pakistani-style snacks that are low-carb, high in flavor, and perfect for anyone managing diabetes. Let's jump right in. Snack number 1, Chana Chaat, but with a twist. We're skipping the potatoes and tamarind chutney. Just use 1/2 cup boiled kala chana, add chopped onions, tomatoes, green chilies, fresh coriander, lemon juice, and a sprinkle of chaat masala. It's packed with fiber and protein, perfect for stable energy. Next up, boiled egg masala. Slice up a boiled egg, sprinkle with black pepper, chili flakes, lemon juice, and a pinch of chaat masala. That's it. It's filling, spicy, and has 0 carbs. Great between meals. Snack 3, cucumber and yogurt dip. This one's so refreshing, especially in the summer. Mix 1/2 cup low-fat yogurt with grated cucumber, chopped mint, roasted cumin powder, and a pinch of salt. Dip in some carrot or cucumber sticks, or just enjoy it with a spoon. Number 4, paneer tikka. Marinate paneer cubes in yogurt, chili powder, turmeric, and lemon juice. Then grill or air fry them. Serve with a sugar-free mint chutney. It's spicy, satisfying, and totally diabetic-friendly. Now let's talk nuts. Snack 5, a small handful of mixed nuts. Go for almonds, walnuts, and pistachios. Skip the cashews and anything sweetened. Nuts give you healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Just don't overdo it. A little goes a long way. Snack 6, masala chai with methi crackers. I love this combo when I want that classic chai vibe. Just make your chai sugar-free and pair it with methi or ajwain crackers. Whole wheat, no maida, no sugar. Portion control is key here. And finally, coconut ladoos, sugar-free. Mix 1 cup desiccated coconut with 1/4 cup almond flour, 2 TBSP coconut cream, and a touch of stevia or monk fruit. Shape into small balls, chill, and enjoy a sweet treat without the sugar spike. There you go. 7 amazing Pakistani-style snacks for diabetics that are full of flavor, not sugar. Let me know in the comments which one you'll try first. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Desi health goodness right here on Ayesha Food Lab. Take care, eat smart, and